Hello my dears, it's truly Trenin. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing and also talking about the things I got from South Padre. So South Padre is on the very end. It's right next to Mexico, and the beach was so lovely, and I went with my girlfriend and her family, and I was able to do some antiquing there. So we're going to explore some pieces that I received in my trip. The first item is actually a very adorable piece. It's a coin purse, and I went to the resale at South Padre called Whiskers, and they actually support the animals, and the funds go to the animals. So I thought this was a very adorable piece, and it opens up like this, and then you put your coins in it. So now the next piece was at the Cat's Meow, and this is a Nippon soup bowl, and I wanted to have something to eat with. So, and then also some postcards, and they have beautiful pictures of a lady, and this one is with their children and her dog, and there are also advertisements as well. It's called Ephemerals, Victorian Ephemerals, and it's kind of like little advertisements, and I thought they were very, very beautiful. And then also at the next shop is from Trinkets and Friends, I think. And I got this Sealy teacup, and it's in black. I'm having an afternoon tea party soon. Basically, I went to get a teacup. Maddie actually found this, and went to teacup for Akihiro, one of the characters, my OCs, and it's so beautiful. It's hand painted in the gold leaf, and here's the marking. I don't know if you can see that, but it's with the little seal. It's from Japan, and I just love that one. Also got some lemon soap, and it's from Italy, and they're shaped like lemons, so I thought it was very adorable. So here we are. So the next one is actually the Jackson Street in Harlingen, and all these were from Harlingen as well. It's a little small town, and they actually had a strip of antique malls, which was so nice. You could just walk down one, and then you would go to the next one, and they're all close to each other. There's one that was closed. It was actually a funny story. The ladies at Trinkets and Friends were talking about that because of the plague, there's some crazy people, and they had to lock their doors, and so people wouldn't come in. So they would have to lock the doors when you come in, and then you would shop, and then they would have to unlock the doors, which was quite strange, but I guess it's for safety precaution. But this is from the Jackson Antique Mall, and it's a beautiful silk embroidery placemat, and these are from the 40s and the 50s and to the 70s, and they have this beautiful couching detail, and I love the birds. I got something similar at my home town's antique mall, the Mercantile, and these are all beautifully done in the couching, and I just love how adorable the little motifs of the birds and the butterflies. And then the last piece right here, these two they were called ancestral couples, or ancestral photographs, and this is a picture of an older man and maybe his wife, and Maddie said this is like a realistic version of Lucille and Thomas from Crimson Peak. I love this beautiful mourning gown. And then the other piece is a beautiful estate find from the antique mall, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's actually funny, I'm trying to make a similar dress like this. It's a bias cut with the pin tucks, and they came in threes, but I separate the family, unfortunately. But I thought this one was the most beautiful out of the three. One of them was from the 20s, and then the other one was from the 1880s. So this is a very, very beautiful piece of photography. Now this is the part I think everyone's been waiting for. This is kind of like a little unboxing, and this is actually a fudesode I got for my friend Blue, and they will be dressing as Mochi, one of my OCs. He's a Japanese rabbit, and he's very mischievous, and basically this is one of the fudesodes that will go under. It's a Nagajuban, so it's the underpiece that you would wear. So, okay, let's open it up. So I kind of look at the color. So this one is so fudesode means long swinging sleeves, and basically this is, I think, a spring motif. So I'll let you see kind of the stitch work, the weaving. It's so pretty. And it fades into several colors of the, let's see if I can get this, the pinks, the greens, and a bit of the blue, and it's so very pretty. Laid out for everybody. So this is, and it also has a little piece where you make sure the collar is straight. So let's do this as delicately as possible, because these are all vintage. I buy a lot of second hand. Oh my goodness, just look at that. And it goes all the way down to here right now, so that's the jubon. So, isn't it lovely? Oh my goodness, I hope Blue enjoys this. Yeah, I hope it matches perfectly with the one that they'll be wearing. It's a cobalt blue fudesode with the royal carts, so that's very, very formal, and young girls at 18, before they turn older, they would be wearing these longer sleeves, and then when you get married, it was said that you would cut the sleeves and you would re-sew the sleeve. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you would like to be updated when the next video comes out, please subscribe. Good day, my dears. Enjoy life truly, elegantly, with tea.